Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Find My Phone feature on the AMAZFIT Balance 2XT. So here we have the watch. Now here I have the phone, but I'm gonna hide it. So this phone goes well under the radar. And now what you guys want to do is go over to the control center, and in the control center find an icon like this. So this is an icon that will basically make us find our phone, and when you press it only once, then it will locate it. Yes, it is in that direction. Now what you guys can do is click here, and it is very loud. That's why I put my phone away, because it was just so loud that I didn't want to destroy your ears. But the fact is, this function works and it can find any phone. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.